Hello smart people, welcome back to this commerce class. In today's video, I'll take you to Google Skills Shop website where you can take these courses for free. So I'll show you two courses which you can take for free, which comes with certificates after the assessment. Okay, so the first one is the fundamentals of digital marketing, which is very important. So it shows you the basic of digital marketing. Okay, so we have the object. So you learn the fundamental of digital marketing to help your business or your career, and also it masters the basic of digital marketing with the free course accredited by Interactive Advertising Bureau Europe and the Open University. So it has 26 modules. So the 26 modules is broken into sections. So we have the Take a Business Online. So you can see the topic, we have 15 minutes, 30 minutes for each topic. We have the duration, and now we have the make it easy for people to find a business on the web. So it also has 5 topics. So yes, and we have the reach more people locally and social media on mobile. Okay, so before you can access this courses, you need to log in. I've already logged in. So when you log in fresh, or when you access the site, which will be shared in the description section, you see the login here. When you click on it, you can either create a Google account, or you can use your old Google account to access this course. Okay, so let's start the online opportunities. Let's click on it and see how it looks like. Okay, so we have the online opportunities, and under the online opportunities too, you are seeing intro to the digital garage. We have the your digital opportunities. So after you are done, you take the course, which I think is 2 minutes. So this one is 5 minutes. So every course is 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see
Very much a part of our amenities available.
So you can watch it.
The online.
Okay, now let's go down. Okay, so let's say we are done with the top ones. Done with the top ones. Okay, so let's check this one too and see. So it's the same thing. So get started. So there's the benefit of online strategy, okay, which is also 40 minutes. So it has broken it down into the topics. So when you are done, you take the quiz. Okay, so before you can move on to the next part, if you notice here, it's not allowing me to click on it because I've not completed yet. So if you are done with this part, you get started with the search. So you get started with the next part. And when you are done with the whole course, you take your certification assessment, which they'll give you certificate. Okay, so there is the fundamentals of digital marketing, and now the other one is get a business online. Okay, so this get a business online will help you start this course to discover what it takes to start and run a successful business online. So as you can see here, so you find out how to build a digital presence, sell to customers online, and also stay safe from hackers. Okay, so we have get a business online, which comes with 7 topics. So the first one is the online opportunity. Let's click on the online opportunity and see how it works. Okay, so the online opportunity, we are also seeing a topics under them, which you also take a quiz. And we have the your first step online success, plan your online business strategy, etc. Okay, I think that is all for today. If you have any question or suggestion, you can put them in the comment section and I will attend to them accordingly. Thanks for your time. See you on the next video. But please don't forget to subscribe and also like, share. See you on the next video. Peace.